Good afternoon. We in the Group 7 will discuss about the urinary system, the structure, the function, the urine formation, the urinary system diseases, and how to take care of your urinary system. So what is urinary system? It's a system that consists of organs that produce, collect, and eliminate urine, including kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The kidney consists of functional units called nephrons, at nephrons ang pinakamahalagang bahagi ng bato.
I'm Kimberly Alcantara and I am going to discuss about the structure of the urinary system. The urinary system includes kidneys, bladders, and ducts that work together to eliminate internal body fluid and metabolic waste from internal body environment. The kidney forms the urine and account for the other functions attributed to the urinary system. So the PowerPoint says, the urinary system refers to the structures that produce and conduct urine to the point of excretion. The human body normally has two paired kidneys, one on the left and one on the right. Urine is formed by nephrons, the functional unit of the kidney, and then flows through a system of converging tubules called collecting ducts. So, renal calyces are chambers of the kidney through which urine passes, consisting of minor and major calyces. Ureters are tubes made of smooth muscle fibers that propel urine from kidneys to the urinary bladder. And bladder is a membranous sac in which urine is collected for excretion.
To discuss the urine formation, first one is filtration. Filtration, act or process of removing something unwanted. Then reabsorption, back to an original place or condition. And then third, secretion, a process of segregating, elaborating, and releasing some material, either functionally specialized as saliva or isolated for excretion as urine. And then the urinary system and its parts. The blue one is main vein to the heart. It carries clean blood. And the red artery from heart brings blood with waste. This is the left kidney and right kidney. This is the ureters which carries urine. And then bladder collects the urine. Nerve that tells brain the bladder is full. This is nerve.
I'm going to discuss about the function of the urinary system. 1. Removal of waste product from the body, mainly urea and uric acid. Urea, it is a colorless crystalline compound that is the breakdown product of protein metabolism in mammals. It is the waste product of all metabolism in the kidney. When urea joins with water, it becomes urine. Uric acid, ito ay isang compound gaya rin ng asukal at kolesterol. Ito ay binabantayan dahil ang mataas na antas nito ay nagdudulot ng sakit. 2. Regulation of electrolyte balance. Electrolyte. It controls how your body processes waste and absorbs vitamins and minerals. 3. Regulation of acid-base homeostasis. Acid-base homeostasis, it concerns with the proper balance between acids and bases of it, also called the body pH. The body is very sensitive to its pH level, so strong mechanism exists to maintain it. Kapag kulang sa pH, proteins are denatured and digested, enzymes lose their ability to function, and death may occur. 4. Controlling blood volume and maintaining blood pressure. It maintains normal blood pressure by secreting the enzyme renin. This enzyme used to treat some forms of hypertension. Naman ay i-discuss ko ang iba't ibang urinary system diseases. Una, nephrosis. It's a non-inflammatory disease of kidneys. Pangalawa, nephrotic, a kidney stone. Pangatlo, urethritis. It's an inflammation of the urethra, the final pathway for urine in the both sexes, and the common pathway for urine and semen in the male. 4. Nocturia, frequently getting up and urinating during the night. And last is ureneresis. It's involuntary release of urine, most often in reference to
So now how to take care of your urinary system. Step 1, drink plenty of water. It is highly recommended to drink plenty of water each and every day. Step 2, use the bathroom when urge arises. And step 3, eat a healthy healthy diet including fruits, vegetables, protein, and whole grains. So, napaka-importante naman po nito na kumain tayo ng mga masustansyang pagkain para sa ating healthy katawan.
A lower urinary tract infection is an infection of the urethra, the bladder, or both. The urethra is a tube that carries urine from the bladder outside the body. The bladder and the urethra are part of the urinary tract system. That is why a bladder infection is also called a lower urinary tract infection. If you have a bladder infection, you often feel a burning sensation while urinating and a pressure or painful sensation in the lower abdomen. You often feel that you have to urinate, but not much urine comes out during urination. The urine may have an unpleasant smell and may sometimes have blood in it. The most common cause of a bladder infection is a bacteria that infects the bladder mostly through the urethra. There are different factors that increase the chances of a bladder infection, which goes along with increased risk of bacterial infection. Not enough fluid intake, sexual intercourse, bad hygiene, bladder or kidney stones, pregnancy, menopause, diabetes mellitus, if you have a catheter, birth defects of urinary tract or kidneys. Chemicals. Women have bladder infections more often than men because women have a shorter urethra, causing easy entry of bacteria from outside into the bladder. Even though it is often thought, it's not likely that a cold or draft can cause a bladder infection. A bladder infection is an annoying and painful complaint that in general can be treated well. The GP may prescribe antibiotics to speed up the recovery of a bladder infection and prevent complications like an infection of the ureter, kidney, pelvis, etc. To prevent bladder infections, it is important to drink 2 liters of water daily. Frequent urination washes out the bacteria. Don't resist the urge to urinate, but go to the bathroom as soon as you feel it. Always make sure to completely empty the bladder when urinating. For some women, a bladder infection recurs less frequently if they urinate after having sex.